So we have 3 weeks until this wedding. 3 weeks, sis? Don't you mean 2? Hey beauty roomers and silent watchers, welcome back for day 2 of my wedding challenge. I know I originally said 3 weeks, but we're definitely going to make that 2 weeks because as I was editing and then as I ultimately uploaded the video, I looked at my phone and realized, sis, we only have 2 weeks until this wedding, not 3, but that's okay. It only makes it more of a challenge for me and for you guys. So let's up the workouts and continue the clean eating and get the results that we want to see. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Alicia, and my whole goal is to make fitness beautiful. So I figured I would go ahead and do this challenge because I wanted to challenge myself. And also when I go to a wedding, I always my goal was to be one of the hottest people, one of the hottest wedding guests on the dance floor. So by doing that, I always set a goal for myself to achieve before the wedding so that I can look super fly in my wedding dress. So I figured I would just show you what I do and bring you along with me for 2 weeks until this wedding, to my friend's wedding. I'm going to show you what I ate today, show you what I kind of did today, and we're going to do the workout of the day, which will be listed in the description box down below. And you guys can do it along with me, or you can just go ahead and watch my wedding challenge and watch my results. But if you want to do it with me, you can take a picture of yourself, Instagram it, and put in the hashtag wedding challenge and do the wedding challenge with me. I've already showed one of my before pictures, and the wedding challenge is listed on my Instagram with the hashtag wedding challenge, and you can find it there. So let's get into day 2 of this workout, guys. So today, just to give you a recap of what I did today, I woke up at 7:30. My kids woke up around the same time. I did my workout on my treadmill in the basement while they played. I ran 1 mile in 10 minutes on the treadmill. I filled up my 2-liter bottle, drank like a third of the water in the bottle. And then I also had my coffee for the morning. I just had black coffee. It was like vanilla flavored. And I added 0 calories, 0 sugar sweetener to that. And I drank that. And that was after the workout. Then at around 9:58, something like that, I think it was 9:58 on the dot, okay, I ate my omelet. My husband's amazing. He makes me an omelet every day before he goes to work, and he also makes the kids oatmeal. Shout out to him. Isn't that an amazing husband? Girl, get you a husband like that, sis. So he left that for me, so I ate my omelet, and I just topped my omelet with some fresh salsa, and I topped it with some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, and that's all I put on it. And it's like a mushroom cheese omelet, and it's delicious, and I ate that up. Yum yum yum. So had my water, had my coffee, had an omelet, all by 9 o'clock, by 9:58, by 10 o'clock. So then I got ready. I took my kids to the park. We went to the park and we played. At around noon, I had a peach, and I ate that and enjoyed that, as while my kids ate, trail mix and all this other yummy stuff that I can't really have, and chips that I can't really eat. Poor mommy. And then I'm going to have another meal, which is going to be just fruit, and then probably like a salad for dinner. So that's the goal for today. That's pretty much what I've eaten today. Keeping it very, very clean, very fresh. Fresh eating is my goal for this 2-week challenge. My goal is to give you at least 3 workouts per week that I'm doing this. I mean, are you accepting the challenge? Because, I am, So let's do this together and get our results. Okay? If you want to know what I'm wearing a netted top. I got it from TJ Maxx, and of course that leopard print sports bra that you can see in my second Victoria's Secret haul. This is my annual sale haul. You can go ahead and click that down below. And then I'm just wearing some basic black Victoria's Secret leggings. There's nothing on them, they're just plain black. And bandana in my hair because I'm having not the best hair day today, but that's okay, sis. Make it look cute. So here we go. Day 2, second workout of the day. Let's go. you accept the challenge?